Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. I like my school. My teacher is very kind. I love my classmates. We play together every day. Thank you for your help. You are very kind. I am happy now. I will not forget this. I woke up early today. I cleaned my room. Then I ate breakfast. Now I feel good. This is my favorite book. I read it every day. It has many stories. I enjoy them a lot. It is a sunny day. The sky is blue. Birds are singing. I feel so happy. I went to the market. I bought some fruits. They are fresh and sweet. I will eat them later. I lost my pen. I looked everywhere. I cannot find it. I need a new one. Thank you for your advice. I will follow it. It is very helpful. You are so smart. Let's go to the park. We can walk there. The flowers are so pretty. I love their colors. I am feeling very hungry. Let's cook something. I will help you. We can eat together. I am learning English. It is very fun. I practice speaking every day. I am getting better. I like your dress. It is so pretty. You look very nice. Where did you buy it? I have a pet dog. His name is Bruno. He loves to play. I love him so much. I made a mistake. I am very sorry. I will fix it now. Please forgive me. This is a big tree. It gives us shade. Birds live in it. I like sitting under it. Let's watch a movie. We can eat popcorn. It will be so fun. I am very excited. I got a new notebook. It is very nice. I will write my stories in it. I am very happy. I love ice cream. My favorite flavor is chocolate. It is so yummy. I eat it every week. The stars are shining. The moon is bright. The night is so calm. I feel very peaceful. I made tea for us. It is very hot. Please drink it slowly. I hope you like it. I am going to the library. I want to borrow a book. Reading is fun. I will learn many things. Thank you for your message. It made me smile. I like talking to you. You are my best friend. This picture is beautiful. I took it last week. The place was so peaceful. I want to go again. I cleaned my room today. I arranged my books. I put my clothes in order. Now my room looks nice. I went to the zoo. I saw many animals. The lion was very big. I liked the monkeys the most. I am making a sandwich. I need bread, butter, and cheese. I will add some vegetables. It will taste good. I like walking in the rain. The air feels fresh. The sound is calming. I feel very happy. I visited my grandma. She cooked for me. Her food is very tasty. I love her so much. I am going on a trip. I packed my bag. I have my tickets ready. I am very excited. Let's go for a bike ride. The weather is nice. The road is empty. It will be so fun. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence.